The Shibarium relaunch has refueled Bone and Leash and this entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. Not only has it offered great opportunities to get into Bone and Leash, still early in my opinion, along with Shiba Inu, but now that we know Shibarium is out and ready to go, what we've seen happen here in the last few days are people trading Bone and Leash because of all of this volatility. What's happened is you got a lot of people that are coming into the ecosystem still, and a lot of people wanting to take a little profits along the way. What's crazy about Bone is, get this, just recently, Bone topped the 90,000 holder mark. Now, that's pretty impressive, but what's more impressive is this. Of the 90,000 holders of Bone, 68% of them, 68% of them, so roughly what, 60,000 of the 90,000, a little bit over that, are actually in the profit, are actually in the green. That's pretty crazy. Of 90,000 people holding an asset, nearly 70% of them are in the money. They're up on their investment. That's what's making Bone very volatile right now. It's also what's making Leash very volatile right now. Bone is up 21% in the last 7 days, 12% in the last month, and then 26% in the last year. But look at these big swings. See these big swings in volatility? Take a look at Leash. Now, again, we're going somewhere here with this. I'm going to tie this back together and what this means and how we can play this. But look at Leash here in the 7-day, up 8%. In the last month, up 15%. Very similar to the Bone chart. Look at the 1 year again. See these big swings to the upside. Not only can you accumulate down here for the long term, but you can also take advantage of these pumps. We had one back in September 2022. We had another one here in February, and then just recently had one here in August, not too long ago. Literally, guys, we went from $259 per leash and fired up over $600. Great time to acquire for the long term. Also another great opportunity to do what? Swing trade. And when we take a look at Bone, just recently, right when my XT Algo indicator fired up this momentum up indicator, I got out a possible retracement up. I made a 16% move. Very similar move I made with Leash. Okay, and again, I'm just using XT Algo. It's right there. The tools are built for you. I had this all done. Check out all the links down below, guys. You guys may have heard me talk about this. 30-day money-back guarantee, full refund if you don't like it. 2 trades that I just made 2 days ago would pay for a yearly subscription to XT Algo. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. Again, if you don't like it, I'll give you a full refund after 30 days. But I'm telling you guys, this is going to change the way you look at crypto trading by using an indicator. If you don't use mine, listen, go out there and find one you do like. I'm telling you, it's going to make life simpler. It takes in all of this data and makes it very, very simple. Now, the Shibarium relaunch, like we said, has fueled Bone price surges and upticks in transaction volume. This is why it's so great to trade right now when we're looking at Bone, when we're looking at Leash. It's volatility. And again, network capacity is coming up. People are excited about Shibarium, right? And they updated the blockchain back on August 24th. I think heading into this week, we could see even more volatility here and more opportunity to make some trades. Listen, I have my long-term bags packed for Bone and Leash at this point. I don't touch those, but I will continue to play in these markets and wait for trading opportunities. Right now for Bone, I'm on the hourly chart. I like to trade on the hourly. Right now, we're consolidating. We're hitting our little bit of a support that we've built up here at about $1.37. We're coming back down to it. We might even bounce it and maybe even pop back up to even $1.43. If you're looking for just like a really mini move, right, a couple percent, we might even be able to hit on that. And if we're curious to see, come into the 15-minute chart, and you could see now we have indicators, right? And look what just happened about 45 minutes ago. Possible retracement up flashed right here in the 15-minute view. And again, you can come into the 5-minute and even see that even more clear. Okay, we'll see if we do pop back up and close this gap a little bit, and then you can make these little 2% moves. I like to trade on the hour. Okay, this is my favorite because I'm looking for that 10 to 15% move. I think you can find that on the hourly chart. You got to be, it's more of a swing trade. Sometimes it carries into the next day or two, and that's where I really like to make my move. So this trade exactly went from the 23rd to about the 25th. So it took about a day and a half, 2 days for me to complete that move, the most recent 16% move on Bone. All right, so that's what I'm looking to do right now with Bone and Leash. So listen, if this was 2 years ago, I would have said, nope, I'm not even going to try to get into trading because I don't understand it. I'm not too good at technical analysis. But now I've got a tool that essentially guides me through becoming a better trader. And the cool thing is you can tweak this indicator as you see fit and play around with it. You're not learning these crazy chart patterns per se, which it's good to have that background, but a lot of people just don't have the time. If you just want trading insight, you want to know and take advantage of when charts are breaking out or breaking down, this is why I built this. It's easy to use, and it's built by the best people who do this in the industry. By the way, the prices of XT Algo coming in at much cheaper than the main competitors in the space as well. So that's what I'm looking to do right now with Bone and Leash as we enter into September. I think we're going to get another rate hike. I do. I think we're going to get more volatility, which, hey, listen, that's cool. I'll take volatility here in the short term now that I have a tool to trade, and I'll be looking to do that with Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, and some of the other top cryptos. So appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you guys think about this down below, but there's no doubt that SHIBARIUM's relaunch has fueled volatility and transaction volume, and I want to take advantage of that right now as we continue to get the hype from SHIBARIUM's relaunch. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video.